And it bothers me to no end because I see time after time after time in case after case after case where I've watched homeowners leave tens of thousands. In this particular case, I want to say 50,000, but I've seen other cases where it's every bit as much as. Hey gang, Jerry McManus from Keller Williams here again. I feel extremely compelled to be able to come to you now, today, to tell you about a trend that I see happen in the real estate business. It's the idea that an agent is not properly pricing your house. And this is one of those things that could cost you a lot of money. I have seen in the area that I do business with, which is here in South Jersey, I have seen a lot of homes intentionally underpriced by agents as a strategy to be able to get multiple bid situations and get them bid up. One of the things that I have seen is a failure for that strategy to work to its entirety. As a case study, I had a house over in, if you guys are familiar with Gloucester Township in the Sicklerville area. I recently sold the house for $525,000. And then a house came on the market, similar size, similar condition, on the same street as mine. And the real estate agent went ahead and priced the house at $450,000. Does that sound like a winning strategy to you, where your house gets priced potentially a full $75,000 under the latest comp? That's a huge percentage. But that's one of those things that, as a strategy by some agents who get listings. Now, what is going to wind up being that? They sold the house in a very short period of time. They got $25,000 over asking. Ooh, but you know what they failed to do? Was represent their client well in the marketplace to maximize the return for their client. They got some boasting points out of it, but what they did not get is a good deal for their client. They're only interested in getting an easy paycheck. That's why you have to hire a real estate professional, not just somebody who has a real estate license. Somebody who has the experience and the continued education and training that's going to help bring that experience and knowledge to bear for you. And it bothers me to no end because I see time after time after time in case after case after case where I've watched homeowners leave tens of thousands. In this particular case, I want to say 50,000, but I've seen other cases where it's every bit as much as $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 on the table, and then their agent boasts that they sold it in 3 days, got this much over asking price, and had a zillion offers. Okay, but they failed in the long run. They got paid, they also failed their client. I'm going to leave you with this last thought. As a homeowner, do you want people going through your house that have no business going through your house? And every single time I have asked people this, they say, well, no. And I'm like, that's why proper pricing is so important. Because you catch a small handful of people, not everybody and his mother is going to come in. You're not going to get 30, 40 offers. But what you're going to do is you're going to get the best 2 or 3 offers, and you're not going to have an endless stream of people coming in through your house that have no business being in your house to begin with. And then you take that competitive situation and then you leverage that to be able to maximize your gain as a homeowner. Hopefully that all makes sense to you, but by all means, if you're even thinking about selling, give me a call. Let's go over current market conditions and where your house needs to be in the marketplace. And by all means, please hit that like button, the notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't already so that we can stay in touch. And see you again on the next video.
Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.